Well, I just had somebody email me and said, hey, how are you going to promote this Save Club business? Okay. There's been, places probably, God, what, the last 10, 20, 30, 40, 500 years or so, clubs you can join, memberships where you pay a couple bucks and save. All right. Has there been the invention of save clubs before? Yes, definitely. Okay. But what counts is April 28th of 2025. Okay. Right now. Okay. This presentation, this opportunity, this biz is only a handful of days old. Okay. It just debuted. Right now, it's in pre-launch. Okay. What does that mean? It means over the next month until about June 1st, that's when the company wants to say, ready, set, go. We got 2 million businesses and services and people on planet Earth that are going to participate, where if you need deals on, like, let's say discount tire in my case, I love Walmart, Lowe's. Okay. Sometimes I take Uber, but I saw that there's nice discounts on Lyft, which is kind of the same thing to me, Lyft and Uber. Okay. There's a couple car washes in town. Gosh almighty, Wendy's. Oops. I like Wendy's. I like salty French fries and the Frosties. I know they're not great for you, but you know what? Almost everything is not good for you. So you might as well save money. But yeah, I don't mind snacking on some of the fast food restaurants, especially Wendy's, but just as simple as saving, let's say $3 to $5 if you go there. Why not? If you go to Walmart, who doesn't in America? That's for sure. Okay. And I do need tires for one of my Hummers. And I thought, my gosh, I'll just see if I can get a discount at Discount Tire as of like right now. Okay. April 28th of 2025. And boy, if I can save money just by being a member for $19.97. Okay. Just to be a member, nothing about being an affiliate. If I can save anywhere from 25 to 50, and in my case, I got about $150 of savings per month with stuff I'm already buying. And then boom, tires, save me $200-300. Awesome. There's a mattress that I'm dying to buy, and it's $300 off. I just looked it up with Save Club. Okay, I'm not going to buy a mattress every month, but it sure is nice to know that if I spend $19.97, which I already have, that boy, $301 bills are saved. So I can go load up my mini fridge with yummy things and maybe go buy some Hot Wheels and Legos to put on my walls. Okay. Don't I have like some open space like right there? If I just put a shelf right there, can I put some more nonsense? Thank you. I always ask permission before I decorate and put holes in walls and toys on shelves. Okay. So why do you want to join Save Club? Okay, well, if you're in a company called LiveGood, I think the good news is that the infrastructure and the way things are processed, credit cards, and the way that, I guess you'd call it, can you call it a matrix or a downline? Okay, I hate saying all that because then you think MLM, where you have to buy something in order to earn commissions, and that's not what LiveGood or this company is about. But it's nice that if you do join as an affiliate for just one time $60, that you can qualify to earn commissions just by doing what I'm doing. Just saying, hey guys, look into it. Here's a link. So when you join, either by the month or by the year, it's up to you, you're going to have a page that you can welcome people to. And I thought I'd show you just basically. I always try to make my videos 10 to 15 minutes. I wish I could do 2 or 3 minute ones, but it's better if I just talk like this, like we're just sitting on the couch or at your kitchen table, and I just have maybe a laptop or a home computer in front of both of us. And I can just show you the results that so far I'm having, because the company's only a few days old. And if you're going to be an affiliate in anything, you want to join during the beginning stages or the pre-launch. Okay. So I recommend you look into this very, very hard, just sit down, tune out everything. I know you might have a wife, husband, kids, just crazy stuff going on, but try to tune out and just watch a couple videos, maybe some of mine. Okay. Because I have a handful of webinars on my YouTube channel that I explain things in great detail, and I love to show the back office. Okay. But this video, I just want to concentrate on how I have been able to sign up about 26 people. And I've got 2 more people coming in later. They just notified me. So I'm going to have about 28 people by the time I probably upload this video on YouTube, okay? So let me just show you what I do, okay? And thanks for watching these old videos of mine, okay? Now, if you watch a lot of my videos about a handful of other businesses, I'm a big fan, guys, of just making business cards. Because if by chance, in person, at a party, wherever, if somebody comes up and asks you about this opportunity, please don't talk about it and bore people with the comp plan and what it is, other than, hey, you can save money and earn money. I love saveclub.com. I bought that because I love it. I used to like Save Club. Now I love Save Club long time. All right? Me not too buku. I love it. So I love saveclub.com. That's how I invite people to watch a short video. Okay, what video? Cory, I don't want to make videos. Don't worry about it. There's one already made, and I'm going to show you how. I simply forward ilovesaveclub.com to the link, okay? Now, I love GoDaddy. I am not an affiliate. I just think they're the best. I've been with them for 5 million years. They host 91 websites of my businesses, my personal websites, my radio station at purerockradio.com. I love them because you can get a live operator 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. So I bought ilovesaveclub.com for $11.95 with the business card for $20 through Vistaprint. I put Cory at corydraper.com. Okay, so if I'm at a party, I hand you this business card, you click it, and then you're going to go to this page right here. If you join, you're going to have this exact page. The only difference is, see where it says saveclubtour.com/Cory Draper? If your name is like Loretta Lynn, okay, maybe that's your username. But it's easier for me to say, go to ilovesaveclub.com than go to saveclubtour.com/Cory Draper. And on a business card, it looks kind of sloppy. It's too long. And no one's going to remember. But if I say I love Save Club, people will kind of remember it. And besides, if I capitalize the L, the S, and the C, it's kind of cool. And you notice like iPhone, they have the little I. So I said, well, why don't I just kind of do a little iPhone little salute? So I put little I and then lovesaveclub.com. Okay, that's just easier, I think, to memorize or just click. But I kind of like custom domains. And then with GoDaddy for free, okay, if you just buy this domain name, you don't have to have a website and pay for hosting. You're going to, for free, forward ilovesaveclub.com to, in my case, right there. Okay, so that's one way. On a street level, I hand you a business card, or I just say, hey guys, write this down or memorize it, or let me text it to you, ilovesaveclub.com. When you go here, do you see this video? It's already made. It's about 6 minutes. And with the founder, his name's, are you ready? Charles. Call him Chucky, though. If you ever meet him, go, Cory says, Chucky, how you doing there, bud? But yeah, just watch Charles. He's a good guy. He'll tell you all about Save Club, where he's from, what he's doing, where it's going. And I think it's more than enough information to at least put your name right here in contact information. Click the orange button. And guys, you can at least get more information about Save Club. You'll get 1 email per day. And if you don't, then just go ahead and unsubscribe. And if you want to join, go ahead. Same process, put your contact info, hit the orange button, and then you're going to get an email from Save Club, obviously, and join. Get yourself a username and a password, okay? This is what the back office looks like. Let me just put myself right over here, okay? This is the home page. So you're going to log in. I just use Cory Draper. That's my name, okay? If you want to look at all the deals, just go to this link here, My Deals, or right here off to the side. My membership, you can either join by the month or the year. Okay, if you join by the year, if you have a couple $100, join for the year, because then you're VIP status and you make more money when people sign up with you. Okay, you can look into the pay plan, how we get our moolah based upon memberships. And believe me, it's worth signing up for the year. You're going to want to do that, but it's up to you. If you got $60 one time fee to be an affiliate, then do that. And if you have $19.97, $20, come aboard. But like I said, it's better to join for the year because of the VIP status and the better pay. Okay, my info, just put your info in there. They're going to ask you for your credit, debit card. If you don't have one of those, you can also pay with cryptocurrency. My team shows all the people that have joined. Okay, and I already have a whole bunch of people already. And right here, my referrals, it breaks it down like name, email address, and stuff like that. My enroller, it shows who I signed up underneath. Leaderboard, it's kind of fun. You can kind of see like everybody that's doing well. They show the top 50 in the entire company. And I'm already, let's see, I'm number 19 right now. And I have no doubt I'll have another 25 to 50 people signed up. So I should be, I don't know, maybe I can get in the top 10. That'd be kind of fun. All right. And that's the leaderboard. Let's see right there. Okay, there it is. My websites. Okay. Click that and you're going to see this website right here, the Powerline landing page. Okay. If you look, that link right there, does it look familiar? Well, it should, because when I showed you this, that's what I link it to. ilovesaveclub.com. I link it right to this one here. So remember, when you join, you already have a full-blown website. You've got a capture page. You got everything for $60. That's what you get when you join as an affiliate. One and done, guys. Okay. Then right here, you can go to my earnings. Now, since I only joined a few days ago, okay, I've got money coming to me. I'll have well over 1,000 coming. But since I only joined a few days ago, this is where the pay period is going to be. It's going to, the type, the date paid, earned. Transferred means did they transfer it from this website to my bank? Okay. I just want to show you this real quick. All right. When you join and get your username and your password and all that, will you please go to my earnings and then click select your payment option? Okay. When you click that, it's going to say, how do you want to get paid? How do you want to pay for stuff? Me, I'm using a big bank here in Utah where I live, but you need to configure this because we get paid every Friday. And if they don't know how to pay you, it's just going to sit in limbo. You're not going to lose any money, but they need to know how to transfer. And you can see here, transfer commissions to credit wallet. Okay. You can view the pay plan description, view rank. All right. The credit wallet. All right. That might be for you if you're into cryptocurrency. But if you're just going to go to a traditional bank, then click select your payment option and click the bank. It's super easy, guys. Okay. Contact. If you need to contact this company, okay, memorize this, write it down, or just remember, just go to the contact us tab and it's support@saveclub.com. And this is important. Okay. Right below this counter, this shows how many people are signing up right now. Look, in 10 seconds, Christina and Henrik signed up within 10 seconds of each other. Look, 30 seconds later, Sherry signed up. Look at this, 31 seconds later, Richard. Okay, look at this, a minute or so later, Ryan. And then Ryan John signed up about a minute after, or Robert signed up after Ryan. And look at this, this is a worldwide company. There's Canada. Right there, is that Australia? I'm getting a little better. And then Tanko Dennis. I don't know, is that Mexico? I don't even know the flags. I just know 2 or 3. Okay, this is where I want you to go if you want to study just how we get paid. Anyone can go to this link, saveclub.com pay plan. saveclub.com/pay plan. Just take your time. You can read the 5 ways we get paid, and it'll show you why you want to join for the year, if you can, because the VIP status pays more. Why not make more money? Okay. But it's up to you. You decide. Go through all 5. Just read. Take your time. And if none of this makes sense, don't worry. The company figures this all out for you anyway. Okay? But go through the 5 ways we get paid on the membership side. So if you're going to be an affiliate, which I hope you are, just keep talking about it every week. If you want to make a video, use a video already made. If you want to email people, maybe give a business card out. Most people, though, I'd say, gosh, probably 80 to 90%, people are thinking social media. Okay? You ever heard of TikTok, Instagram? Is MySpace still out there? I don't know. Is Tom still there at MySpace? But I like Facebook. Okay, and Instagram, TikTok, they're awesome. But there's Twitter, X, whatever it's called this week. Okay? But there's the 5, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can click here to read details on rank qualification, but just go through it. You can't break the website. And just remember, you go to saveclub.com/pay plan. Okay, you want to go through that and kind of know what you're getting into and how you can earn money. And it's awesome, guys. But please don't try to discuss the pay plan. You're going to bore people. You're going to get a headache, confuse yourself. And people are like, God, I don't know if I want to join. I don't even understand the comp plan. You know what? No one does in the beginning. But if you go to saveclub.com/pay plan, let the website. And then in the next, God, probably week or so, there'll be a nice YouTube produced video how the comp plan is, especially by June 1st, because that's a ready, set, go. And with our founder, Charles, he says there'll be well over 2 million people already participating. And you can see how many people are now just as of April 28th. Look at this, travel, parks, tickets, eat, play, shop, Look at this. You can go to Disneyland, Disney World. You can fly, take Lyft to the airport. You've got Progressive Insurance, Travelers. All right, it's Mother's Day coming up. If you want to get her some chocolates and roses and posies, why not? All right, RC Willie here in town's great furniture, electronics. All right, you've got thousands and thousands just on this little page here. I love Wendy's. I love Subway. I love Domino's. Papa Murphy's. You go there and you pick up a pizza and go home and cook it. Guys, there's thousands and thousands. And guess what? When you open up all these categories, there's then million. Okay? There'll be 2 million right around June 1st. There's already, in my opinion, probably 1 million already. And as I said, I'm producing this, let's see, April 28th of 2025. Okay? Now, I'm at the 15-minute mark. It always takes me a while to chat about this opportunity, but this is why you need to join now. If you're going to watch me the next month, you're going to see me, call it a blitz, call it a hoot nanny, call it a little rocket up my bum, but I'm going to encourage you to join now. Have some faith. If you have $60, join as an affiliate. If you got $19.97, come aboard. Let's do it. Let's get real good between you and I. Let's help each other. If you have good ideas, let me know. If I run into something that works as far as how to hand out a business card or how to present it, how do I do TikTok, Instagram, Facebook? Okay? I love just making videos like this, talking, upload them to YouTube, and see what works. Then I take the link of my YouTube videos and I spread them, to my social media. And like I said, the business card, I like to do that because in person, I don't want to get stuck on the comp plan and then just spin tires, talk, and then no one joins anyway. And besides, if I sit here and just talk about the opportunity for, let's say, even 20 minutes or an hour and 20 minutes, you're going to think you're going to have to. And that's not how it should be, and it's not how it's going to be. I want you to join, get everything configured, and you don't have to get a business card. You don't have to get a domain name like I did, which is, ilovesaveclub.com. But I want you to just invite people to click a link to watch a video. That's simple. The less you do, the lesser you do. If you do less, okay, you're going to have more success. I really think that because the videos are already made and they do a really good job of already signing up thousands. And this opportunity is just days old. There's some real big shots behind this ordeal. All right, there's some really big affiliate guys and girls that are signed up that are really participating in this. They see the big picture because it's a worldwide endeavor here. You're going to save money on products that you're already buying. And if you're an affiliate marketer where you look at an opportunity that's already done and they pay you just for being a cheerleader, in my case, I invite you to a link and then I sit back and go, thanks for your time. All I can ask you to do is just click a link, watch a video. If you watch the whole thing, great. If you don't like what you see, please go on with your day. I just appreciate, the 5-6 minutes that you took to watch the video. If you want more information, just put your contact information in. You'll get a nice email once a day, and you can opt out whenever. Obviously, you can get a hold of me if you want, Cory at CoryDraper.com. You can find me on Facebook. All right, I'm not shy. I do a lot of other business, okay? I produce car shows. I run a radio station. I do voiceover work, and I love online business. And I love this company because it's so similar to another company that I'm currently in called LiveGood, okay? But I love saveclub.com. There's my email, guys, Cory at CoryDraper.com. And just go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll see a lot of videos about my other businesses, but this one right now, it's special to me because I really believe in it. I like to save money on top of it. Even if it's $20 a month, $50 a month, that adds up, guys. Okay? Do you have $19.97 a month? I know you do. Just have some faith, but sign up now. Don't watch this video 1 to 2 months or 2 years in my future. All I can tell you is that it is April 28th of 2025. This company is brand new, and some of the larger chunks of cash, I'll just tell you how it is. Some people are going to make a massive amount of money because they have joined now. The first week, the first month. In my opinion, I think the first 30 to 45 days is just super critical. And of course, you can do really well months and months and years down the road. You're going to save money just on the membership, in my opinion. But as an affiliate, now's the time to do it. Let's build a nice team. Okay? Let's take care of each other. Guys, thank you. Looks like I'm coming in at the 20-minute mark. I appreciate you. Okay? Go to YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and you guys just have a kick butt day. All right? Frito-Lay? Okay, you take care. See you guys. Bye.